Hello, my amazing family. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Meekness, and today we are going to be unboxing this package that came in for me from Lagos today. So this is what it looks like. This is the LD3680 lights and package of it. It has two extra battery. So this is exactly why I did not get the ring light I was supposed to get, because the one I ordered for had no battery, so I refused to get it. Because in Nigeria you can't make that kind of mistake. You're not going to have light every time, and so you won't film anytime you don't have light. So here is the full package. This is the light hold that you put on your tripod and then um tie it there. I think it has a screw attached to it. And then the next thing we have inside this package is the battery charger. So this is the charger that is used to charge each of the battery. Is just one, but I think if you want to charge the both of them at the same time, you'll have to fix the two batteries um in the light, then plug in the light. The next thing inside this package is the battery. So this is what the battery looks like. Very simple and then light. So the next thing here is the charger. So this is the charger they gave me. This charger is very rich, and now I'm going to see how to fix this battery inside this ring light, because everything is just so new to me. I've not gotten one of this kind before, and then I'm trying to see how I can use it. So I got this light because I couldn't get a ring light, and ring lights are not that expensive, but I'm still going to get a ring light because I see people use this and then a ring light together. So this is what the light looks like when you are using this light, and then you open this thing up facing any direction. The whole light is just going to go through that direction. So in this video I'm also going to be making a review of this light. I'm going to show you guys how it works and how I've used it. So this is the tripod that came with it. I really like the light tripod. I think this is like the best thing I like about this, because I've not had an actual tripod ever since I started my YouTube channel. I've always used a tabletop tripod. So this tripod is going to come in handy for me. So we're back to the review. So I use my old tabletop tripod to hold this so I can show it properly. So this is what it looks like when you have the two batteries in and the light being on. The light is very powerful. Just see the effect it has on that wall. See, it's so powerful, and this light is so blinding. Guys, I don't know how it's going to be managed. Setting up this light took me like forever, because it kept on shaking and shaking on the tripod, but I finally got it right.
See, I can't even see clearly. I'm not even seeing anything. This light is risky to use. Even if the button for increasing and reducing it is bad.
I almost went blind using this light, fixing my eyes directly.
What are you doing? Okay. So this is increasing. This is still the white light. The warm light has not come on. You know what? Turn off that white light side. The white light is the down button. The down button is
So
the white
this
light.
light
Try
has
the warm light.
two powerful lights, the warm light and then the white
The warm
light.
light. So this is the warm light. How it looks. Ah, shit. If I want to use this light, I think, honey, extend this thing. I think I will extend the tripod to a very, very long distance. No, no, let me see. So the light now is over my head. Oh yeah, let's bring down this thing. The light is over my head now. This is what we're looking like. Honey, put the white light now. Add the white light. Okay. This is what we're looking like with the warm light and the white light on. And it's over my head, not directly facing me, because if this light is facing you directly, I think you're just going to go blind. So this is what it's looking like. So the only thing I have to do now is to get a tripod that is long like this, or I will just keep using my table tripod, then reduce the light, put this on the table and put this in front of me. All right, anticipate my next video where I'll be using this light. I hope my voice entered this video, because the noise outside is more than the noise inside. All right guys, thank you for watching this review. I got this light from Naturesake. In case you are interested, their delivery is really good, very cheap and quick. She's on Instagram as Naturesake, and she's really nice in her customer service. But the only thing I don't like about this light is that the button, the increasing and reducing button, is so inside that I feel like it's going to spoil very quickly, and then the light is too powerful. But that is not a problem because it makes it beautiful. I'll turn it off first. Let me see when everything is off how this place looks. It makes it beautiful. Okay, see, this is how it's still on. Just go to the power button now, that one, and turn it off. Okay, this is what everything looks like without a light. But with the light, it just removes that shady and darkness from your video. I think I like this light. I think it's even better than ring lights. Better than ring lights, if you understand, if you can see what I mean. I'm using a phone, and is this clear and focused. It's not peaking, so the light is very good. And this is above, not directly facing me. So that's just it. In case you want to order, I'm going to put the link of everything in my description box. If you still don't get her on Instagram, because the first time I looked for her, I saw Deborah Bomb's review on YouTube, and I went to check her out. I did not find her the first day I checked, so the second day I tried again before I found her page. So you're going to see different Naturesake online, but just maybe I'm going to drop her number so you can get her. So this I got for 25,000, way be of 2,000 naira. That is 27,000 naira, which is not much. I tried buying a ring light, that is the bigger ring light, and they were calling something like 45,000 for me. But this is perfect if you get a good placing for it. It is just okay. You're going to have a classy video. All right guys, bye, see you in my next one.